in one of the greatest cocoa producing areas on earth. But like so many things in Eastern Congo, it's picked and then exported to foreign countries, and all the added value of cocoa, which is enormous when you produce chocolate, are really lost to the Congolese. Whatever the protected area, there are always incredible solutions to make them survive. And believe me, when we started in Virunga, they were not obvious. They seem obvious today because they've worked so well for us. But you have to really take that leap into a very creative mindset to identify that and then to drive it home.